You would like to microwave your burrito?
You have something I can put this donut on?
There's plates in
I
there.
don't want to dirty a plate just for one donut.
Okay, so what's your problem? You want to eat a half a donut, but now you're
I
going
want
to
to eat this donut, but it's kind of stale. I want to give it. I want to heat it up in the microwave.
Okay.
But I don't want to dirty a whole plate.
Why don't you just put it in your back pocket and sit on it for an hour? That way you don't even have to use coal energy. Yeah, look, the stove's on. You could put it on top of my asparagus.
Asparagus?
Yeah, in the oven.
Oh, okay. Yeah, perfect.
You're gonna fucking cook your donut on top of my
No,
asparagus?
I just want to heat it up.
Why couldn't you just put it on the side of it?
Oh, okay.
And now you're gonna get sugar drippings all over my shit?
No. I'm
Fat. Don't worry, it's hot. Fire's hot.
I actually just photographed this really big at that rodeo thing.
Really
this
interesting.
Big with Yes. Yeah.
Okay. My regular with the tail and my switch with the nose. How do you do it?
Yeah.